What if the key to unlocking better health isn't in expensive supplements, but in a simple, versatile fruit that may be in your kitchen right now? Hidden in plain sight is a vegetable with incredible health benefits. Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my health. Can this quirky vegetable be my secret weapon? It's not exotic or expensive. You can find it in your local grocery store. What is this secret weapon for better health? It's the humble chayote squash. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. Chayote, also known as Merleton squash. In Jamaica, we call it chocho, is packed with nutrients. It can be a valuable ally in preventing and managing various health conditions. Ready to unlock the power of chayote? Let's delve into its fascinating history, nutritional profile, and discover delicious ways to make it a part of your daily life. This is just the beginning of your chayote journey. Get ready to be amazed by its potential. Chayote has a rich history, originating in Mesoamerica thousands of years ago. Ancient civilizations, including the Mayans and Aztecs, cultivated and consumed this versatile squash. From its Mesoamerican roots, chayote embarked on a global journey. Spanish explorers brought it to Europe in the 16th century. From there, it spread throughout the world, becoming a staple ingredient in many cuisines. Today, chayote is enjoyed in various culinary traditions, from Latin America to Southeast Asia. Chayote is a nutritional powerhouse, low in calories but abundant in essential vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. Furthermore, chayote provides significant amounts of folate, crucial for cell growth and development, particularly during pregnancy. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while dietary fiber promotes digestive health and regularity. Incorporating chayote into your diet is an easy way to boost your nutrient intake and support overall well-being. A friend of mine was diagnosed with fatty liver. She incorporated chayote into her diet and is giving chayote high praises. Chayote can be a valuable ally in promoting heart health. Its high potassium content helps lower blood pressure, reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Studies have shown that dietary fiber abundant in chayote can help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, chayote contains antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress, a key contributor to heart problems. By including chayote in your diet, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier heart. Section 5. Blood sugar control. Chayote's low glycemic index makes it an excellent choice for individuals managing blood sugar levels. Its fiber content slows down sugar absorption into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in glucose. Research suggests that chayote may improve insulin sensitivity, enhancing the body's ability to utilize glucose effectively. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Including chayote in a balanced diet can be a helpful strategy for maintaining healthy blood sugar control. Section 6. Digestive Harmony. Chayote's rich fiber content makes it a digestive superstar. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. It also serves as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. Furthermore, chayote contains enzymes that aid in the breakdown of food, easing the digestive process. Its high water content helps prevent dehydration, further supporting digestive health. By incorporating chayote into your meals, you can support a healthy and happy digestive system. Section 7. Culinary Versatility. Chayote's mild, slightly sweet flavor and crunchy texture make it incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be enjoyed raw, sliced into salads for a refreshing crunch. Chayote shines when cooked, its texture becoming tender and slightly nutty. It can be steamed, boiled, baked, or sautéed. Add it to soups, stews, stir-fries, or casseroles for a nutritional boost. Don't be afraid to experiment. Chayote's versatility allows for endless culinary creations. Section 8. Adding chayote to your plate. Incorporating chayote into your diet is easier than you think. Start by selecting firm, unblemished chayotes from your local grocery store or farmer's market. Before preparing, peel the chayote as the skin can be tough. Remove the seed, which is edible but has a slightly different texture. Slice, dice, or grate the chayote according to your recipe. With a little creativity, you can easily add this nutritious vegetable to your daily meals. Section 9. Embrace the power of chayote. Chayote is more than just a humble squash. It's a nutritional powerhouse with a fascinating history and incredible health benefits. From boosting heart health and regulating blood sugar to promoting digestion and providing essential vitamins and minerals, chayote deserves a place on your plate. Its culinary versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various dishes, from refreshing salads to hearty stews. Embrace the power of chayote and unlock a world of flavor and well-being. Start enjoying the benefits of this remarkable vegetable today. Have you had any experience with chayote? Leave your comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.